Assalamu alaikum, my name is Zain and my roll number is N34 and my project is about water resistance measurement. So here I have some components. First one is the Arduino Uno and next I have the LCD and third one is the SRO4 sensor. Also I've used a USB cable and some jumper wires and the last I have used the breadboard. Here is the circuit diagram which shows all the connections in my project. And here I have my complete assembled project which I have done. So this is the assembled water level measurement Arduino program that I have made. This is the SR04 ultrasonic sensor. This is the Arduino Uno. This is the breadboard, and here I have the LCD screen which is not working right now. And here I have the code which is going to be run on this program. And this is my complete project. As you can see, I am slowly pouring the water in the glass, and after that I will put my sensor upon it, and lastly it will show us the distance which is covered or which is left in the screen.